Southampton roads. From impassable roads and flooded neighborhoods, photojournalist Robert Rizzo caught up with a business owner whose business was surrounded by water.
For over 29 years, Big Sam's Inlet Cafe and Raw Bar says they've been serving the freshest seafood with a waterfront view at Rudee Inlet. Owner Sam Caldow watched as his waterfront view surrounded his restaurant.
Whenever we get high tides, higher than normal, this storm drain is the lowest point on the property. So the water will start coming up through there first, and then it will go south. And then as the water comes over the bulkheads of the marina, they'll meet in the middle.
It was just after 1 p.m. at high tide Sunday when the water started to rise. The National Weather Service reported water level rise of as much as 7.3 feet at the inlet.
During the peak, the currents were pretty strong through here. We had like little breaking waves, and we just lift everything up, both businesses, and let it come in, let it go back out.
The water surged in between the buildings and over the bulkheads, flooding the parking lot all the way to the streets, as well as the businesses next to his.
We actually had a pretty strong current of water coming through here. That was probably somewhere in the neighborhood this high.
As the water levels continue to rise, Sam's business never shut down. Through the lunch rush, it was a bit slow. However, the inlet's water never reached inside.
We've had some nor'easters in the past were similar, but the biggest one was Isabel, which was coming in the front door when I left. We gave up on that one.
And Big Sam's is a destination that made its name because of those tropical storms that have blown through.
We were full and we didn't realize the storm was coming. It switched directions. And somehow we got a reputation for the party headquarters for bad weather. So if it's flooding, storming, or a blizzard, people are in here.
Restaurant workers spent the morning cleaning up the debris outside in the parking lot where the flooding was. Inside the restaurant, there was no damage. In Virginia Beach, Robert Rizzo, 10 on your side.